So hey, I'm Suresh and then today I'm going to talk about bioremediation. So what bioremediation exactly means? So it is a process that uses various types of microorganisms, fungi, green plants and their enzymes to return the natural environment to its original form or original condition which was altered or changed by various types of contaminants or pollutants. So it basically includes degrading, removing, changing or detoxifying various chemicals and physical pollutants from the environment through the action of various bacteria, fungi, algae, plants and enzymes. So the bioremediation process basically includes decontamination or removal of contaminants, different types of pollutants, different types of toxins from the soil, water, and other environment. So there are basically two types of bioremediation. First one is in situ bioremediation. So we all know what in situ means. It is a strategy or practice where the decontamination process is performed at the original site of the contamination. So it mainly used to treat the decontaminants of soil and groundwater. So there are few examples of the in situ bioremediation. So percolation, bioventing, air sparging, pump and treat, and bioslurping, etc. So at the other hand, there is ex situ bioremediation. So this basically means the decontamination process, which is performed at away from the original site of the contamination. So this includes basically land farming, compost pile irrigation, engineering biopiles, etc. There are few advantages and disadvantages of the bioremediation process. So advantages are it is a natural process. The residues or outcomes of the treatment generally cause no harm to the people. So also it is carried out on site and causes no harm to the normal activities or causes no disruption to the other normal activities. And also the setup cost is quite cheaper than the other methods which are used to treat the hazardous waste, and it also doesn't involve transferring the pollutants from one place to another. Instead it completely degrades it. So there are few disadvantages of this process as well. So it may not reduce concentration of contaminants at required levels. So we have some expectation that it will reduce the concentration of contaminants at certain levels, which is not necessarily satisfied all the time or every time. So it requires more time than other methods, and it also may require more extensive monitoring, and it has to be monitored all the time. And also it's quite difficult to predict the future effectiveness. Will it be effective? Will it cause the decontamination completely? We cannot say that. It is quite hard to predict. So these are my references, and thank you.